Hello everyone, welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan. Today we're gonna make something purple and we're gonna use many circles. Do you know what we're gonna make? Grapes. Let's get started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 purple circles. And then 1, 2, 3, 3 green semicircles to make the leaves. Now let's get started. Let's take the first semicircle here to make the first leaf. A darker colored semicircle is dark green. The third leaf is done. Look, 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves. They're green. The first purple circle, right here. This circle is of a different color. This is a darker purple. Look, they're a little bit different. The third circle. Done! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 grapes. So juicy. Yum, yum. Ta-da! Look! These are our grapes. They are purple. They're so juicy. I want to make some grape juice. And also, there are white grapes, red grapes, and black grapes. All kinds of grapes. Do you like grapes? I do. Bye!